Hey y'all, I'm back. Alright, I didn't film at Donald's house because a personal reason. I ain't gonna say the personal reason. I'm just gonna say that I just didn't wanna film over there, you know? So I normally film by Dominoes, and I seen Talia today. Okay, Talia Mead. Y'all remember Talia Mead? That golf girl. Yep. So anyway, Nala should be coming, but I'm not gonna feature her on the New Year's episode. You know, her birthday is in 3 days. Yep. I'll give her a birthday card. You know. So, what the hell? That's my baby, though. Okay. Well, let me see. If I should call her right now or not. You know. No, I ain't gonna call her right now. Never mind. Calling her right now. I'll see her tonight. Okay. Damn. Every woman popping out with babies nowadays. You know. And you know something? Goddamn, not one single chick around my age that I could be with that have no children at all. The thing is, I want a baby, I want a child, and I know it's hard work. A child want this, a child want that. Yes, indeed, I know. Okay, I know all about that because it's hard work, you know. But anyway, it's a New Year's bash, you know. So anyway, I feel like listening to some music. Should I? Nah, I ain't gonna do that. You know. Okay, so I could have filmed other places or whatever, but oh well. So anyway, I'll be right back with the final thought.